In today's video, we're gonna see how fast this bad boy can go.
What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone is doing well. Today's video, we're finally gonna get to do a speed run. Now, I've been wanting to do speed runs for a while, but I never had a device to measure speed. But boom, I picked up this GPS speed meter from SkyRC, ordered it from Banggood. They did go ahead and ship it out via a US distributor, so I got it really quick. So I was pretty pumped about that, but we're gonna zip tie it onto the back of the LMT and see how fast we can go. So update on what we are working with on the truck here. I have bigger pinion, went up to a 15 tooth. It's only one tooth more than what it comes with. So that will affect the speed. This is not stock gearing, so it should go a tiny bit faster than the 14 tooth. I do have 30 weight shock oil all the way around, and I did just go ahead and redo all my diffs, but I did mess up on the center diff. I don't have a high enough weight oil in there, but it should be fine for the speed run. So that is a breakdown of the truck. And after the speed run, we're gonna test out my new ramps and get a little bash in for you guys too. So let's get this thing set up and see how fast it can go. All right, so here's the speed meter. It's all zip tied on to the back. I'm so in love with you. You got me down again. All right, so I'm here with the official Speedmaster, and she's gonna read the speed of our first run with the Losi.
And it is 22 miles per hour.
Wow, only 22. It feels like it was going so much faster. I actually don't even quite have enough room. I think I might have to move back a little bit farther, but I'm gonna keep testing it and see if I can get a much better speed. 22 seems kind of lame, right?
Yep.
Oh no, we had a gnarly crash and lost the GPS. Oh no, we gotta find it. It's not broken, is it? What's it say for speed?
Oh my God!
There it is.
29. I thought it was 62. I'm like, you did better, but no, it was upside down.
Okay. It did get a little scratched. It come off. I had it zip tied. I guess I didn't put it tight enough or something. I didn't want to go too crazy, but you can see scratched up my brand new thing. I'm gonna blame Mrs. Propaganda. It's all her fault. All right, let's strap it back on and try this again. All right, so to get this speed meter to work, what you do is you just kind of hit this, I think, until it goes to record. It says something else too, I don't know what that is, but you hit it one time, I think it's good. So it should record our peak speed here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over here. I need some more room, so I'm not gonna do that launch like the first two. So try to get some more space, maybe get a nice rolling start. Maybe I can get some higher speeds. So 3S, 15 tooth pinion, run number 3. Let's see what we can get. All right, here we go. I'm back a little bit. Let's see. Woohoo! Ooh, I almost flipped it again. It's tricky when you're letting off. Woo!
Nice landing.
I saved it a little though, because I could have got that. Alright, let's see. 27. Actually, 2 miles an hour slower. Okay, let's try it again. Oh, what was that? I went to go and that wheel just didn't move.
You got a rock?
Yeah, I think that's all it was. Yeah. Yeah, there's some rocks. Okay, whew. Close call, close call. All right, here we go. We get farther back.
Oh, you're gonna jump. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Woo.
What do you think it's gonna be?
I think 29.
25, I would say.
I'm gonna back up and try to get one coming at me. Get me straight on here. Let's see.
Go. Ah!
Woo! Okay, woo. See what it says.
30.
Woohoo! Wow, 30, all right.
Nice.
All right, so let's go do a blast on the road. I think I can keep it on the pavement. I think I can go faster on the pavement, so let's go try it on the pavement. That's good. To my lovely wife here, look at her having a grand old time, my little speed keeper. So we got 31 on that pass. 31. I'm gonna do a couple of more in the road here, and we'll see if we can beat that 31. No, just my steering's loose, nothing looks broke. I mean, it was pretty bad, but it was into the bushes. I think I'm okay. Yeah, everything looks okay.
How much did you do? 35, I think.
35! All right, we did it, yes. That's about as much as I can squeeze out of it. The road is not perfectly flat, but it was good enough. I was actually, wow, it's actually harder to do speed runs than I thought. This is my first speed run. It's really great. Now we can go ahead and do speed runs on a lot of rigs. Not that I do a lot of speed stuff, but I am trying to bring you guys more different RCs, more expensive, more cheaper. I want to start trying to fill in all those little gaps and maybe get away from just doing crawling, because I love crawling, but I know that people want to see more than just crawling. This monster truck has been great. It's been a lot of fun, so I'm excited to see it go so fast. So I'm going to take this speed meter off and go do a quick little bash to finish out this video for you guys. All right, so here I only got 2 of my ramps, but these are them. Just built them. I'm trying to make more, but this is what I got. So I'm going to set the camera down and just do a tiny bit of bashing. I can't have too much battery.
Cry
Well, all right, guys, this is going to wrap it up for our speed run. Even got a little bit of bashing in. The backflip ramp works good. The other ramp I got has got that nice little pop, so I'm pretty happy with that. I do think I can squeeze more speed if I was on a flatter surface, but the truck definitely wants to roll off of those high speed runs, so you got to be careful. It's definitely a little challenging, but I had fun. The truck held up good. I did take a couple gnarly crashes, so overall I'm pretty happy. And I will bring a video on this speed meter in the future if you want to check that out. It is a nifty little device, so I'm excited to have it. So more from this in the future, more speed runs in the future. Let me know, do you guys like speed runs? But I guess that's going to be it. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it.
And we catch you guys on the next one.